Hi boys and girls, today we're going to read this story titled Little Squirt, the Fire Engine. This is the front of the book, this is the back of the book, and this is the spine that holds all those wonderful pages together. Let's find out what happens in this story titled Little Squirt, the Fire Engine. I'm a little red fire engine. Everyone calls me Squirt. I live in the firehouse. The firefighters live upstairs. When the alarm rings, that means there is a fire and we have to hurry. The firefighters don't run down the stairs. It takes too long. They slide down the brass pole. They rush to put on their coats and boots and hats. Let's go, Squirt, the fire chief calls. I am all ready. I have a big job to do. One of the firefighters jumps onto my front seat and starts my engine. We drive out of the firehouse. The firefighters hang on tight to me. We race down the street. I sound my alarm. Wee, wee, wee. I flash my lights. Blink, 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 blink. Everyone hurries out of the way. At the fire, I work hard and fast. I pump water from the hydrant through my hoses. Whoosh! The water sprays the fire and makes a sizzling sound. The firefighters climb my ladders and help the people get out of the building. There is a lot of smoke, so the firefighters put on masks to help them breathe. Soon the fire is out and all the people are safe, the fire chief calls. The firefighters pack up the hoses and ladders and we start back to the firehouse. I do not sound my alarm or turn on my lights because now we are not in a hurry. Children wave to the firefighters and smile at me. Hi, Squirt, they call. You did a good job. Back at the fire station, the firefighters hang my hoses out to dry. Then they give me a bath. I like to look my best, for I am Squirt, the little red fire engine, the best fire engine in town. You see the dog? And the hose, and the blinking lights, and the siren, and the windshield wipers. Yeah. This was a great story about a little fire engine.